my channel and welcome back for me sa pag-vlog. It's been a while since I last vlogged. I'm back in vlogging and I'm planning to be consistent in uploading vlogs weekly. Nakatapos ko lang mag-film ng mga branded contents. For today's video, it's December 1 and pag-plan ko talaga na pag December 1 mag-vlog na ulit ako kasi I miss vlogging a lot so much. And hindi ko man ako sa inyo, meron na rin akong full-time work kasi ako nag-OJT. So, hindi lang OJT actually. Nag-pay internship after my graduation. So, I have a lot of chika and ayoko siya i-chika sa buong itong usimula pa lang. So, ayun. Today, ayun na nga, ano oras na ba? It's 8:39 p.m. And actually, since kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng content, I'm gonna cook na my dinner kasi si mommy nasa office siya ngayon. And it's a Sunday ha? Si daddy nasa office niya siya ngayon. And ayun na nga, magluto na ako dinner ko kasi mag-edit pa ako ng content. Hindi papasok ko pa yung mga drafts sa mga brands. So, yes, let's cook na dinner. So guys, tapos na kumain and ayun, nag-decorate ako, nag-decorate ako ngayon ng house namin for Christmas since December 1 and I'm the one who always decorates the home. Kasi sila and I felt like everything is like living Christmas season time so I super love it. So ayun, gonna decorate the house kasi why not? So yun guys, it's currently 1:26 a.m. Pakita ko sa iyo oras. 1:26 a.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng aking last content na ipapasok ko for today. Yes, nagpapasa ko lang ito oras kasi sinasend ko lang naman dyan sa Viber. But yeah, grabe, abtok mo talaga ako like so much. And I have work tomorrow at 9 a.m. But I need to wake up at like at least 7:30 to get prepared kasi nang morning routine ako, naligo na rin ako kasi wala na akong time maligo after ng work kasi ang shift namin is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and after na nag-workout na ako, nag-shoot na ako na content and parang ganito tuloy-tuloy na siya and girl, nakakapagod but this is what I've been dreaming for and what I have been playing for before pa. So ayun, also I have a new keyboard. Okay, tomorrow na lang ko mag-showcase ng mga bagong gamit na bili ko yun online. Ito yung guys, yung mga hindi ko pa nagagawa ng ba dyan. Actually, ito yung kaka-edit ko lang. Ito yung edit ko kanina. Napasok ko na yan parehas. Yung content, ito din. So, bali, ito na lang pala. Yung lip balms and yung highlighter sa likod from Says Lady. Yun na lang yung wala akong content. Also, girl, I bought like an OEM na Apple Watch and nasira yung charger niya. And umorder ako ng charger na kinoconnect sa USB-C na alam mo yun, yung dulo. Basta kinoconnect siya ng USB-C na charger. And sis, wala pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Parang ilang araw nang drained yung Apple Watch ko na OEM. So, nakakaloka. But yeah, I'm also planning to buy an original Apple Watch by the end of December before kami uwi na Mindoro. So, ayun guys. So, I think I'll say good night here kasi pagod talaga ako. And after nito, after kong ma-export to sa phone ko, pasok ko na sa Viber and I'm gonna sleep kasi girl, I really can't stay na kasi I'm really super sleepy. I only had 5 hours of sleep. So, nakakaloka. So, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning and today is another day, another day. Nagkakaligo ko lang. Actually, and kakaayos ko lang as you can see my face. Yung mga nakalagay sa face ko is, ayun yung J-Skins Hydromoist. Ano kaming year-end party sa December 6 and it's December 2 right now. So it's like 4 days away. And girl, I need a clear, glowing, very, glass skin. So, this is very helpful. Actually, every time na ginagamit ko yung Hydromoist na yun, as in overnight mask, girl, ang lambot ng face sa morning. So, feel ko araw-arawin ko na siya. Cause, girl, I cannot wear it na kasi I have income. But yeah, today, kung narinig man kayo nagsasalita, yun yung mga ka-work ko. So, they're working right now.
Sige nga.
I mean, mag-work din ako. Like, nag-start na ako ng vlog, okay? Don't worry. But yeah, hinintay ko rin kasi yung magiging executive namin to give like, meron akong mga gagawin, pero yeah.
Di ba bawal?
Wait lang ha. Chill. But yun, I'm gonna show you my setup right now. So, this is the MacBook. Ayan. This is bought So, bigay ko sa akin as a graduation gift of my parents and tita. So, hati at salito. Then, this is second hand. We bought this sa Green Hills. So, ako pumili kung saan bibili. Kasi, girl, hindi ko naman na video. I also bought a keyboard. Ayan. This is the Rock Pluma version 2. Ang tanda ko. So, ayan. Very, very slay. And I'm planning to buy a tri-mode na mouse sa 1212 para to match it with this. Kasi tri-mode kasi ito. So, hindi ko siya kailangan ng wire. Gamit ko siya ng gamit ko siya sis ng lang, ganyan lang. So, since I'm planning to have a minimal setup sa table na ordering ko sa 1212, ayoko na maraming wires, sis. So, ayun. Next time may table na yan, pag nandito na siya, so let's just talk about the present. So, ayun nga, guys. I'm currently employed. Say hi, guys!
Wow. Nakadala yung camera
Hello,
niya.
vlog! Nag-vlog na ulit kasi ako since yesterday, kasi December. Here's my lunch, guys. This is longganisa, chicken longganisa from Taal, Batangas. And then 1 egg and cucumber with paminta, sugar, asin, suka, and onions and kamatis. And it's so delicioso. So actually do, pag kumakain is, syempre, of course, I pray. After I pray, kumakain na ako. And I watch YouTube or Netflix. So, ayun. Since hindi ako makapag-Netflix ngayon, YouTube na mapanood natin. Okay, so I'm gonna eat now because I'm really hungry.
Merry Christmas!
So I just finished my shift, everyone. It's like around 6 p.m. na right now. And kasahin lang ako. Mag-workout kasi ako after. That's like my daily routine. After my shift, nagkasayang ako and then nag-workout ako. And then after ko mag-workout, I shoot na my contents. Ay, hindi pala, nakain pala muna ako after mag-workout. Hindi na ako pag-shoot ka ng contents and then maglilinis ako ng katawan, then mag-edit, and gagawa ng script for another content, ganon. That's like my daily life. We belong to the light. We belong to the thunder. We belong. Hey guys, this is the next day, and as you can see, I have a new mic. This is the first time that I bought a mic for myself. Hindi talaga bumibili ng mic kasi maganda yung audio quality ng mga ginagamit ko. But I decided to buy one for sit down videos or mga vlogs na tinitake ko from iPhone. So ayun, nasa iPhone ako ngayon nag-vlog kasi I really want to test this mic, and check naman siya kanina, and it's really really nice. And ayun, it's lunchtime again, so I'm preparing my food again. And ayun, I'm just super kilig kasi kanina hindi siya gumagana. Tinry ko siya sa Teams. So, I think hindi siya gumagana pag sa Teams, pero for sa camera and all, gumagana siya. So, ayun, I'm planning to use this sa mga sit-down videos sa TikTok. Yung mga nagre-reveal ako ng products, ganon. Yung mga organic contents ko, ganon. So, yes! This is very cutesy and matagal ko na gusto parang may hawak. Tapos, gusto ko siyang idikit somewhere. Alam mo yung ginagawa ng mga creator na nakadikit siya kanya sa chopstick or kaya sa tinidor. So, wala lang. Parang, it gives me a variety of ideas. So ko siya didikit. But yeah, it's very nice. Now, we're practicing for our hosting for our year-end party since dalawa kami nung friend ko na mag-host for our year-end party, and both of us are newly hired by the company. So, slay! So, mahilig ako mag-practice ngayon ng hosting. This is the first time that I'm gonna be hosting an event. So, girl, wish me luck. Good evening, everyone! I'm Kyla Marie, chief saxophone at 22-year-old stunner. Guys, so today is December 6th and I'm on the way to Manila with my friend. Kasi ngayon yung year-end event namin and isa ako sa mag-host and everything and I wanted to go early sa Manila para makapagpahinga muna ako, makasleep ako, then makapag-shower again ako. Kasi doon ako tutuloy muna ngayon sa bahay ng tita ko saan ako nakatira nung nag-aaral ako sa FEU. So, we'll see you there. I'm gonna see you there na lang kasi girl, naka-charge yung iPhone right now.
May kita ba ako dyan? Charot.
Of course,
Hindi, I mean, di ako kasama sa swimming.
Swimming.
Swimming? Ay, sorry.
Event yun, babe.
Event! Ano bang event?
Yes, look at
Matatanga
that
na tuloy ako.
bridge. The sun is sunning. Here's our food for today. Yangnyeom, then kimchi and fries. Samyang mo sa kanya. 5 times yun sa kanya. Akin times 1 only. Guys, so ayun.
Isa pa
Ito na ako sa B&B everything. And girl, pressure na kami ang lahat.
Isa pa, mag-book pa yung isa para if ever sinong mauna tayo na muna dong sasakay.
May pressure na po kaming lahat. Dahil ang committee po ay wala pa doon. Wala na po yung mga guests. Wala po kasi kaming mabook. Wala po kasi kaming mabook. Ngayon lang po kami nakabook. And it's super traffic. So wala po kaming choice. Here na guys, sa ready and everything. Guys, kakain lang kami finally. Nakaupo na kami. Ayan siya guys. Hi, Justin. Kurt. Hi. Bukita. Kita si Gian. Sa food for tonight, this is our appetizer, which is the salad and pumpkin soup. So let's taste that. So ayun, as one of the things, nag-aayos pa kami ng can-can sa life. And we're gonna eat our appetizer for today. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Arigatings, kamsahamnida. Shisi, shisi. So this is Caesar salad.
Sino pa po kulang? Yung? Isa na lang po. This? Ayan yung pa daw po ba yung Defying Rabbit? Defying Rabbit. Ay, dalawa yung duet ko kalo? Sure, no problem. Yan, sige. Lawyer din.
Listen to the main course. The main course. Guys, we're about to end the event and ito yung co-host ko.
Hi!
Siya po ang bading kong co-host. This is the fit for today. The fit for today. Hey guys, so it's already 4:20 a.m. right now. And ayun, medyo kakawin ng bahay since nakita ko nag-skincare ako. Hindi na ako nalinis ng katawan. Kahit lagkit na lagkit ako sa feeling because I don't have the energy to and I'm gonna wake up later like around 8 to 9 a.m. kasi kinakapapunta ng PCSO. So yeah, sa tatay ko sa pag-uwi sa Cavite. But yeah, it was a really fun party and everything. I really enjoyed it with my team and with the whole PH team. And parang nakatuwa lang kasi like, syempre, as someone who works from home, it was a really fun day. And nakakapagod siya kasi like, this is the first time that I hosted an event. And like, committee ako, organizer, like committee, nandun na lahat, organizer, tagagawa na ganito, tagagawa na ganyan. Actually, pakita ko yung nagawa kong, ako ang nag-design ng plaque na ito, like yung nasa loob, me and my mom. Mom is like the marketing executive. So we designed this plaque. And actually, the original plan was to make it a certificate. And sabi nung country manager namin, it's better daw if like parang pa-plaque siya. So from the white background, we created it na ganito na lang, para mukha siyang plaque, mukha siyang solid. Also, besides from the plaque, we also received some vouchers na galing sa SM and everything. And ayun, hindi ko alam kung sa shoot lang ko siya gagastusin or baka palitan ko sa nanay ko ng like cash kasi sa laging magastos sa ganun, like, pwede nalang gamitin yun for like market para at least ako nakakasya lang kasi like ayoko nang pinutin yung sarili ko bumili ng something para lang magamit yun, di ba? But yeah, ayun, it was really a fun day. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna sleep na and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.